With a rupees 320 crore redevelopment project in Mumbai, a strong rupees 2,770 crore order pipeline, and a 14% debt reduction, this real estate company is making big moves, with its stock climbing from rupees 256.8 to rupees 796 over the last 2 years. This company is giving its investors a return of 209% and is gearing up for even bigger plans. So stay tuned to find out. Hey there, and welcome to another exciting edition of Noisemaker, where we screen through the market noise to uncover hidden gems in the stock market. I'm Gauri Malik, Equity Research Analyst at Desvelado Advisory. In today's segment, we analyze three companies that are making moves that could fuel their long-term growth. So, as always, this is not a buy or sell recommendation of any sort. For today's lineup, we have Tyranix Performance Material Limited, Ajmera Realty and Infra India Limited, and Lemon Tree Hotels Limited. First company, Styrenix Performance Materials Limited, is a leading manufacturer of engineering thermoplastics including ABS, SAN and polystyrene. The company has recently subscribed to 51,801 equity shares of CleanMax Jasper Private Limited for rupees 7.6 crores through a right issue on March 14, 2025. Financially, for quarter 3 of financial year 25, the revenue for the company stood at rupees 692.2 crore, showing 4.9% quarter-on-quarter growth, while the EBITDA margins declined to 10.7% due to higher input costs. The company is expanding ABS production capacity by 50 KT by mid-2026 and leveraging acquisitions to boost its global presence. With a focus on sustainability and innovation, this company is strategically positioned to benefit from the growing demand in the plastics and material sector. Second company, Ajmera and Infra India Limited, specializes in residential and commercial real estate development with projects across Mumbai, Bangalore, and Ahmedabad. The company has secured a rupees 320 crore redevelopment project in Andheri, West Mumbai, adding to its strong redevelopment portfolio with 4 projects in financial year 25 totaling to rupees 2,770 crore in gross development value. Ajmera is focusing on strategic land acquisition to fuel future growth. Financially, quarter 3 financial year 25 revenue stood at rupees 199.1 crore, down by 2.4% quarter-on-quarter, but the EBITDA margins improved to 35%, which is up by 300 basis points from the previous quarter, signaling operational efficiencies. With a strong project pipeline and redevelopment focus, Ajmera is positioned as a major player in India's urban real estate transformation. Lastly, Lemon Trees Hotels Limited, which is India's largest mid-priced hotel chain operating across upscale, mid-scale and economy segments. The company has signed a license agreement for a new property in Bokaro, Jharkhand, which is set to open in financial year 27, in its expanding its Jharkhand footprint. Financially, quarter 3 financial year 25 revenue surged to rupees 355.7 crore, which is up by 24.9% quarter-on-quarter, with EBITDA margins rising to 51.9%, which is up by 590 basis points. Targeting 20,000 rooms by 2028, the company is expanding in Bhutan, Nepal and Dubai, leveraging management contracts to scale efficiently. With a focus on revenue per average room growth and a solid expansion strategy, Lemon Tree remains a strong player in the hospitality sector. Now we will be reviewing our previous picks. So we covered Jubilant Ingravia Limited at 676, which is now at 669, which is down by 1%. Second, Synoris Pharmaceuticals Limited, covered at rupees 565, which is now at rupees 576, up by 1.9%. Anupam Rasayan India Limited, covered at 808, now at 766, which is down by 5.1%. HEG Limited, covered at 385, now at 406, which is up by 5.5%. And lastly, Lemon Tree Hotels, covered at 127.1, which is now at 129.9, which is up by 2.2%. Now we will be summarizing the recent filings that we have covered today. First company, Styrenix Performance Materials Limited, which has strengthened its green energy strategy with a rupees 7.66 crore investment in Clean Max Jasper Private Limited. Second company, Ajmera Realty and Infra India Limited, secured a rupees 320 crore redevelopment project in Andheri West, Mumbai, boosting its urban real estate presence. And lastly, Lemon Tree Hotels Limited, expanding with a new property in Jharkhand. So that's a wrap for today's Noisemaker. For more details, check out the full video in the description. Stay high ahead and stay informed.